Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you how you can make your own trees any sizes using cardboards or chopping mats. Then you can decorate them using your own style. Here I have a cardboard that I buy at Dollar Tree. Using a piece of yarn, attach it to a pencil or a pen, you're going to trace the shape of the bottom of the tree. Then with a ruler, you're going to trace a straight line in the corner like forming a triangle. Now you are going to put the corners together to make the shape of the tree. Using masking tape, you're going to hold it in place. Then you're going to use transparent tape for the inside and for the outside. And then you're going to take out the masking tape. This is how it looks. Now you can decorate using your style. I made this once covering with fabrics and some gold details, and I love it. I have a video of the process of decorating trees. Go and watch it. This one is covered with bath mat, and also I painted with gold. It turns amazing. I buy these dinosaurs birthday hats at Dollar Tree. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to disassemble it, cut the edges of the dinosaur, and then round it to the opposite side and glue it back to have the white side out. This is how it looks. Now you can decorate using your style. I made this one with gold fabric that I already have and some foam ball space filler. This one I cover with soft microfiber cloth using some beads and ribbon and cover the bottom with cardboard. Now I have these flexible cutting mats from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the same technique with the yarn and the pencil or the pen. Then I'm going to put masking tape to hold, transparent tape for the inside, and hot glue for the outside for a better hold. And then I'm going to take out the masking tape. This is how it looks. Now you can decorate using your style. I made this one covering with a fancy piece of fabric that I already have from face masks that I did during the COVID. This one is made with baking cupcakes glitter diamond strips. I put lights inside them to light up at night. It looks amazing. This one is made with mini mosaic mirror and crushed mirror. I made this one last year. You can watch the tutorial here in my channel. I made two, one smaller than the other. This one I painted with a mix of white paint and white glitter and decorate with pigs, flowers, and beads from Hobby Lobby. I also put lights inside it. And I also made two of them, one smaller than the other. You can also go and watch that tutorial here in my channel.